Alright, so this video is a message to Honorable Sam George. All Mohammed's appointees are doing their best. Honorable Okujeto, as a Minister for Foreign Affairs, was able to reduce the price of passports. Now, we still don't understand why up to now you are not able to reduce the price of data, bro.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice writer on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Data the cost for Ghana, wow, bro. You go figure it be food where human being a chop, bro. Data the cost. We still don't understand why you're not able to reduce the price. You don't understand? Because when you were in opposition, bro, you the bash people speaking chains of vocabulary, reciting chains of vocabulary. When I will give you the power, bro, for you to do what you were saying other people were not able to do. We're still up to now. You know if you reduce the price of data. Now you not tap the data button now, Charlie, then they will send you message say 50%. Before you realize 90%, then you know that your data finished that. Bro, you need to do something about it. Bro, because right now, Charlie, we are losing faith in you, bro. We are losing faith in you, seriously. Well, you need to do something about it. It's not about speaking long English, Charlie, vocabulary. Charlie, make sure you do the work. Charlie, do the work. We believe in you. That's why we gave you the position. So do something about it. Data the cost. You understand? I'm Your Highness. Peace out.
Ebusuya unim said in 2019, abra price of data echo no. MP for Lingo Pram Samuel Nate George editor just say Yemblemi member of parliament for Ablekuma West Sam Renos and Minister for Communication Honorable Esla Owusu Ekufu say only the reason why price of data na cost name no ne telecos when in some of the two ja Ahonto FM 92.3 wa abra na one citizen Kofi Owusu edi nkomo adechimu nsem when in some of the two ja Ebusuya mo yan kan some of the two ja nimbom ne wi a na wa kire wa dwen comment section. MP for Lingo Pram Samuel Nate George, who doubles as member of the Communication Committee in Parliament, has said that the telecommunication sector is struggling because of the minister in charge of communication, Esla Owusu Ekufu. According to him, Esla Owusu is the major problem the communication sector is facing. Speaking to citizen Kofi Owusu on Adechimu Nsem on Ahonto FM 92.3, he said, Osla is just like his boss, President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. She does not listen to any form of advice. He explained how Osla contributed to making data expensive. Osla is controlling the telecommunication market anyhow, and she is not ready to listen. She does not listen to any form of advice given her. She is just like her boss, the president, he said. He said Osla is controlling the price of data now, not the network providers themselves. Data increment by teleco, especially that of MTN, is not their fault. And she is practically trying to take out MTN out of the system because they have taken over the market. Osla does not understand why Airtel Tigo and Vodafone are not able to compete and make a profit like them. So she is finding a way to match up. That's why she has made MTN submit under SME. Meanwhile, they are not investing in their business as MTN is doing in Ghana. He added, speaking on advice from the IMF on free senior high school to the government on targeting. He said what Mahama had advised is the same as IMF is saying, but they will not listen. And to where in Sema, Honorable Sam Jata George, Edituja, Sam Reno Wabra, now just a citizen Kofi Edin Komo, Adichemun Sem, Ahonto FM 92.3. And some of the two George say, Sam Reno na member of Parliament for Ablekuma West, not Minister for Communication and digitalization. Honorable Esla Owusu Ekufu. There's a 24 unti, on moment then a control telecos no, send a bit of price, no more telecos no effort. And the same thing is happening. The people Sam George said, on also no air control telecos, no MTN for almost some data banding day in day out, and as a radio, emblem telecos no. It was on my own agent our comment session. Meaning at the promise, the blogger, Alum a promise studios.
Personally, do you think that the cost of bundle, data, and all that, do you think that it's expensive as compared to other places, or you think we are paying the right prices for it? Thank you.
Well, this is not a follow-up, but I'll allow the nominee to provide the answer.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I hold the view respectfully that we could get more value for what we pay as a country for data. I've already begun conversations on the instructions of His Excellency the President with stakeholders to ensure that we get more value. More value could be in reduction in prices or increases in offerings. So it could be that if you paid, for example, 100 Ghana cedis and you got 100 gig of data, we could maintain the same 100 Ghana cedis but give you 150 gig of data. So that's more value. Or the 100 gig could drop to 75 cedis. There are different models around it. But like I said in an earlier answer, we're working around what goes into the cost element, largely electricity, and some work has begun on that. So yes, we hope to see prices of data.
A crate of egg was 12 Ghana cedis in 2016. Today, it is 65 Ghana cedis. What punayam? Puna. What punayam was 5 Ghana cedis. Today, it is 30 Ghana cedis. Okay. One small ball of kenke was 1 cedi. Today, it is 4 cedi. Come here, Agboe, big kenke was 1 cedi, 50 pesos. Okay. It is 6 cedi. Randy, Gino rice, 5 kilo. Gino rice, Mimba. Gino rice cost more. Gino rice 5 kg, 25 Ghana cedis in 2016. Today, 185 Ghana cedis. Lele rice was 18 Ghana cedis, 5 kilo. Today it is 125 Ghana cedis. Even Cindy rice, Cindy, it's okay. In love with Cindy, it was 10 Ghana cedis for 5 kilo.
That's the name of your girlfriend.
No, that's how we call the rice. In love with Cindy.
Ah,
yes. When you buy it, it used to be
why are you explaining? As much as you're in way.
Today it is 100 Ghana cedis. Randy, Randy, because he's a doctor, let me just do this one. FPAC tablets, FPAC blows your pain away. It was 50 pesos in 2016. Many, it is 3 Ghana cedis for FPAC blows your pain away. So to even get medication for your headache, 600% increase. Lufat tablets, Lufat tablet was 5 Ghana cedis. Lufat tablet was 5 Ghana cedis. It is now 30 Ghana. I started before you said last one, so I'll now do the last one. Ferroglobin syrup. Ferroglobin for people who have iron deficiency, and he knows what that means. It used to be 30 Ghana cedis as a Joe Mahama. Today it is 100 Ghana cedis. ORS. Many 40 pesos. Many 2 cedis, 50 pesos. Okay. Anusol cream for cocoa. Anusol cream. Anusol cream for cocoa. Cocoa egg used to be 4 cedis, 56 pesos. Many 118 Ghana cedis. Okay, ona cocoa. You need 118 Ghana cedis to buy Anusol.
Okay. Doc, maybe if you want the best cocoa medicine, go and look for Kujoshun Boafu.
Doc, a quick one. Just to say that.
Yes.
For those who have diabetes. I mean, Randy, diabetes is killing people in Ghana.
Live by your words.
Foxiga, which used to be 70 Ghana cedis. Many is 840
Be a man of your words.
All right.
Doc.
Yes.
So after all of this, I should stop the quotation because I've given you sanitary pad, for example, which is before citizens is now 30 Ghana. But so despite all of the gerrymandering they are doing, people remember these prices.
Okay. All right.